educational video today. I'm gonna go over setting up your different indicators and stuff that could possibly help you to day trade or become a better successful day trader. I'm gonna show you the ones that I use, at least if they could kind of help you out when you're day trading. So this is Webull. This is my paper trading account. So you got your indicators here. So there's a bunch of indicators that you can use. Everything. There's all kinds. Not familiar with most of them because I don't use most of them. But the ones that I do use is the EMA. EMA is basically the exponential moving average. So it moves up with the stock, moves down with the stock. I use the VWAP, volume weighted average price of the stock. I use a MACD occasionally. I don't really check MACD. I just kind of just because we're kind of in a bear market, so I use MACD a little bit, but not too much. And I also use volume because volume is most important when you're day trading. You're going for momentum. It needs to have high volume. So how you add all this stuff is you basically, so this is how you're gonna get the chart with nothing on it when you first open up Webull. So to add all this stuff, you would go to indicators, you type in your EMA, and I use certain indicator or EMA lines. I use the 9, the 20, and the 200. That's the 9-day moving average, the 20-day, and the 200 moving average. This helps me a lot. Because this is where the stock was at in the last not the 9-day, but the last 9 candlesticks. This is the last 20 candlesticks, and this is the last 200 candlesticks. So as you can see here, so when you add these, you could change colors to whatever you want. But it kind of helps us here. So as you see on this stock, here, let me move out of these, sorry. So on this stock right here, as you can see, is we're getting close, approaching the EMA line right here, and it breaks over it. And it breaks over it. This gap right here is it means it's overextended. So it's not bound to come down, but it's most likely, so that's why you see this right here, and then this false breakout, and then back down to the 9 EMA lines. So these are important to use. The 200 I use, so I don't really trade a stock unless it's over 200 on the EMA line. The 9 and the 20 as well, and the VWAP line too. The 200's way down here. This is the VWAP line. So I usually don't trade anything that's below the 200 EMA or the VWAP line. So these can help you a lot if you know how to use them. There's plenty of videos out there on YouTube on how to show you on how the technical analysis works on it. But I use them, and I learned how to use them just by watching different videos and stuff, and they help me out a lot. And also your volume weighted average price right here. See, so you kind of, doesn't really go up that much, but I use it. And then also volume too. Volume is really good, so you could see high volume, high momentum, low volume, low momentum. So you could pick your entries and exit points accordingly. So there's all kinds of stuff, and occasionally I use MACD too. MACD is just, I'm not exactly sure what it actually means. I don't know the actual acronym of it, but yeah, I do use it too sometimes. See how it crosses up here? When the MACD crosses, it usually goes either up or down. So as you can see, we're just trading like that, and then it does a cross. Does a cross right here. They call it a death cross, and then it starts going up. See, and then now they meet it in the middle right here. So this is consolidation right here. Every single time it meets in the middle is consolidation. So, but there's plenty of other, you could go through all this stuff. You go watch different videos on whatever is going to help you. You could use MA2 as moving average, but I like the exponential moving average, which is better for me. This is your order book when they'll show all your orders, so your bid, your ask, your level 2 window right here. This is time and sales right here, so this is what time people are buying and selling. It moves pretty quick once the market's open. This is my positions. This is a classic trade window, so I can manually input everything. I have this set up so I can just click it real quick. So I could change the stock right here to anything I want. So say Tesla, whatever, you know, I could change it real quick, and I could adjust my share size right here. But this is to buy on the bid. I think I have a 5 cent up or down, and then the ask, buy on the ask, so whatever the ask is, and I also have a 5% difference on that, and then to sell the bid, sell the ask. And then this one has no, it's just is selling on the bid, the exact bid. This one I think is a 5 second or 5 cents, and this one's also 5 cents. So I could sell, say the ask is at 460 and it shoots up to 465, and then it's bouncing out. I'll have a 5 second leverage right there, a cushion. This is your quotes. So yeah, I mean, this is pretty much it. You can mess with a bunch of settings. There's stuff that you can add on here, like widgets. You can go to time and sales. You could set this up so however you really want to. This is, you know, your P&L, your positions, and you can move these, and you know, there's different stuff too, like news right here, so you can type in like whatever stock, like PMXD, see, and it'll tell you the recent news for it. So you can have this wherever. You can minimize this, smaller, bigger, however you want to set it up. But yeah, this is Webull paper trading platform right here. I really like it. You got your screeners right here. You could set it up to whatever you want, market cap, and your market here. So you can do whatever you want really with this heat map. It shows you what stocks are popping off, and you could do biotech, see how biotech did today, water. So yeah, it's really cool. You might want to look into it and kind of see. This is the ETFs right here. So yeah, alright guys, well, take care. I hope this helped you out, and yeah, if you want to go ahead, you could download Webull. It's totally free. You could paper trade, or you can put real cash in, but it does have the PTD rules, so just be careful with that. So alright guys, thank you.